Kamusta na kayong lahat? And after 6 weeks of being outside to visit California mission churches in our vlogs, we are here again. So we're gonna cook, and yes, we're gonna cook again. So welcome to our kitchen. And before we mix our ingredients, we would need to prepare our steamer. So let's boil the water there. So here are the ingredients. We will need 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 2 cups of pancake mix, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We would need some cheese and Filipino favorite salted egg. So let's put our eggs here. These are 6 cups of eggs. 6 cups of eggs. 6 pieces of eggs. We will add our 2 cups of milk. We're gonna add the sugar. You would need 1.5 cups for this recipe, and you could add less or put more depending on your taste. We'll add a teaspoon of vanilla. Have our 2 cups of pancake mix. We like the Bisquick brand, but we couldn't find it, so. And our baking powder. And we will save this for our topping later. We could put it halfway or before we put it in the steamer. This is our improvised steamer. And a friend asked where we got the strainer. It's not a Salad Master brand. We just got it from Asia Market a long time ago. And it worked as a strainer for our improvised steamer. So we'll just let this cook. Let's put our salted egg and cheese. So let's check if it's done. There it is. And we have a toothpick. This serves as our indicator if it's done inside. So let's poke. And if it comes out clean, like this, then it's done. So, luto na ang ating rice cake or
Puto.
puto. So, try mo na rin. Kahit saan.
Hindi.
Kain ka na nga. Binigyan ka na nito.
Sarap. Moist. May salted egg inside, tsaka cheese at taas. Tastes nice. Very good.
Lesson learned, wag magmadali to put the cheese kasi sa first batch nilagay ko agad. So dapat pala when it's done. Pero yung egg, you could put it right away. So puto or rice cake lesson, wag magmadali. So masarap. Alright, we had another egg recipe for Easter and we want to greet you. Happy Easter! Thank you for watching. God bless.
Bye. Let's finish the rice cake.
One teaspoon of baking powder, steamer, and a friend asked where we got the strainer. It's not a Salad Master brand. We just got it from Asia Market long time ago, and it worked as a strainer for our improvised steamer.